Gotta keep my favorite song on repeat. Big things backing up BP. You know how to reach me. Hit me on that message on Wi-Fi. Ricky, are you rolling? Know you like to pull up at the foreign.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Lady Jess. It's your girl Jessica. So for today's video, I have done a review and tutorial on Colourpop's Yes Please palette. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. So I went in with the yellow called Mischief in order to get a good transition color, and then I went back in with Note to Self for a base for when I start building my colors. You want to make sure you take your time and blend all these colors together. That way it doesn't look blotchy, and that way it just like all seamlessly flows together. I went in with the brown just to like deepen my crease area because I just don't want it to be too orange. So when I apply my lip color, I spray my brush with e.l.f.'s Makeup Mist and Set Spray. That way the shimmer comes out more pigmented and it just lasts without creasing. And here I'm going back in with my transition colors to blend out the crease a little bit. That way it just all flows together. So for this video, I mixed my foundations, which is the NARS Luminous Foundation and the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, because NARS is too orange for me, and the Maybelline just gives me like a good matte. So I'm a little dewy, but not too much. So I thought it would be good to mention that LA Girl's Pro Conceal is better when you let it sit on your face for a while. That way it gets a little thicker and it won't be too loose and move on you too much. It just comes out smoother to me. So now I'm just going back in with my foundation brush and brushing out my edges of the highlight. That way it just flows together and it doesn't look, splotchy or too concentrated. So I did bake with my Sacha Buttercup mixed with my Maybelline translucent powder, and I let that sit on for like not too long, like a minute, and then I dusted it right off. So as I was putting it on my mascara, it decided to get on my nose. And I'm not talking about a little blotch. It was a big old spot on my nose. I was shooketh.
So, God, there's hair somewhere. There it is. So we are done with this look. I hope you guys like it. I don't know how I feel about my hair right now. Sorry if I keep touching it because I don't know how to feel about it. Yes, you guys. This is the finished look. This is the whole eye look was done by Colourpop's Yes Please palette. Let's see. Yes Please palette, and overall, I don't know why I'm playing music. Let me stop that. But yeah, this is Colourpop's Yes Please palette, and overall, I think it's an amazing palette. It's pretty affordable, and it's very pigmented, which is something I really like. To be honest with you, I really do love it for the price. I got it because it was like on sale, and I really wanted to try it. So I got the palette, and it's very pigmented. It has amazing colors for like pretty much any season, to be honest with you. I created some sort of like warm look for me. I am going to do another tutorial on another warm look without like all the pinks. I'm going to focus on browns next time, but I do like this one. I wear this to school. I wear this out. Like, it's pretty good. Other than that, I feel like it's a good palette. It's pretty cheap. Small is good for beginners, in my opinion. And I think that palette specifically has many colors that people want to use on a daily basis. Orange, brown, little yellow here and there. It has glitter colors. It comes out pretty matte for the other colors, and there's the shimmer colors, which I did on my lid. And what's up to my hair? Other than that, I think this palette's a go. So go out and buy Colourpop's Yes Please palette. You'll love it. You really will. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this tutorial and review on Colourpop's Yes Please palette. So give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, peace and love.